Hi class, today we're going to learn how to use the star spectra gizmo that I mentioned in the assignment. So just like the link says, you're going to go to explorelearning.com. And hopefully you saw my email recently. It said that many of you guys had signed up for a username on this account, and if you didn't, you should have gone through and followed those directions and got a username and an enrollment code for my class. So once you guys are here and you have your username and password to log in, you're going to click up on the top there and you're going to enter in your username and your password, and you should get into a screen that looks just like this. It won't look exactly like this since I'm a teacher on a page, but it'll look something like this. And all you want to do at this point is you want to go up and you want to type in star spectra and you want to click on that top one. Then go over here on the right and click Launch Gizmo. Alright, so you should have read a document that I posted in the assignments about what a star spectra is. And to review it really quickly, stars are giving off light, and you can break apart their light like you would with a prism, and you can see the rainbow. But if you look really closely with really sensitive equipment, you see little bands of light missing, and those bands of light missing are frequencies of light that are missing. And depending on what is inside the star, whether it's hydrogen, helium, sodium, magnesium, you're going to have different little bands, different little frequencies of light that are missing, and scientists can use something called a spectrometer to break apart that light and analyze which bands are missing and determine which elements are in that star, which helps you learn about the age of the star, if it's a dying star, if it's a new star, a lot of things about stars that are really important to astronomers. So that's what you guys are going to do here. What you're going to do is you're going to click Show Labels, and if you look at the worksheet that you're going to complete and turn in for me, it looks just like this, and you guys are going to do stars 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it doesn't go to 5, it goes to 8. Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a star, so maybe I'll choose star 3. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull these spectra. So this is the spectra of the star that has 2 or more elements inside of it, probably anywhere from 2 to 4 elements. And you're just going to pull over a spectra and see if the lines match up. And in this case, star 3 does line up exactly with hydrogen, which means that hydrogen is in that star. And then I'll put it back and I'll pull over helium. And helium does not line up, so helium is not in that star. And I'll pull over sodium, and sodium is not in that star. And I'll pull over magnesium. Now, a lot of times kids say, well, some of these line up. Like if I do this, then this band of light, the third one from the left, does line up, so maybe it is in there. But the rule is all the lines have to match up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go through all 6 of these and see if they line up. And then you also want to go to ionic. Now you guys don't have to know for a test or quiz the difference between neutral or ionic. It's just basically the amount of electrons inside the atom. But I want you guys to go ahead and check both of them out. So you'll be testing out 6 different spectras of different elements for each star. Just keep in mind that hydrogen is the same for both neutral and ionic. I'm not sure why, but just keep that in mind. There really is no difference between those two. So after you've done that for each star, you're going to go to the Google Doc and you're going to type in there. You're going to write in that, for example, star 3 had, now I'll just put hydrogen because it's the same for neutral and ionic, or it might have had ionic magnesium or whatever it was. Now that's not true, but you're going to write in, I think it's anywhere from 2 to 4 elements are in each star, and then you'll go ahead and submit that to me, and that's pretty much it for this gizmo. It shouldn't take too long. It should be pretty quick. That's about it. Thanks.